Hi, my name is Leon Versfeld. I'm a U.S. immigration attorney, and today we're going to talk about the new rule on parole for entrepreneurs that was introduced by the Department of Homeland Security on January 20th, 2017. Through this rule, the Department of Homeland Security believes that it will entice foreign entrepreneurs to come to the United States to create new entities for significant job growth in the United States. So here's a summary of this final rule that was just proposed on advanced parole for entrepreneurs. Number one, the formation of a new startup entity. This would include companies that was formed 5 years prior to the start of this new rule. Number two, the applicant himself must be an entrepreneur, being actively involved in the U.S. company and the startup thereof, and cannot be merely a passive investor. He also has to at least have a 10% interest in this newly formed company. Number three, there needs to be a significant U.S. capital investment or government funding. This is supported by evidence to show the entity's substantial potential of rapid job growth creation. An applicant can satisfy the substantial U.S. capital investment by one of the following. A, that the investment was received from an established U.S. investor, that investment and the total of investment for this newly startup is at least $250,000. B, that any government funding that the new entity has received is at least in excess of $100,000. Or C, that in the alternative, if the entrepreneur partially meets the criteria in A and partially meets the criteria in B, that his entry into the United States will substantially benefit job growth in the United States. If the applicant qualifies under any one of these criteria, they will be granted an entrepreneurial advanced parole, which will allow him or her to enter the country for 30 months. Now, it is important to know that there's a distinction between entering the United States under advanced parole and parole not to be confused with the parole used in the criminal justice system. But it allows you to freely come in and out of the United States and work under these conditions. However, it does not allow you to apply for a different immigration benefit while in the United States. If you want to pursue a different immigration benefit, that can be done, but you will need to get that benefit by leaving the United States and consular processing. The other benefit of this advanced parole, aside from the fact that they say it will go quick to adjudicate, is that your spouse will be able to get a work authorization card, allowing him or her to work anywhere else in the United States. Extensions on these paroles will also be granted for an additional 2.5 years if you are able to show that there has been a significant and substantial growth in this startup company and that your presence in this company is still needed. Now, there are other options also available aside from the entrepreneurial visa, like the e-visa for entrepreneurs from certain treaty countries. And some of these benefits is best discussed through a consultation with an immigration lawyer. The effective date of this new rule for advanced parole for entrepreneurs is July 15, 2017. I don't want you to miss anything. So like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter and SoundCloud, connect with me on LinkedIn, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.